I believe cryptocurrency, be it Bitcoin, XRP, or others, was crafted by none other than the United States government, masquerading under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto, an elusive character right out of a modern myth. In this twisted tale, there's a method to the madness. The government introduces blockchain technology to the populace, making transactions smoother while actually tightening their grip on financial freedom. The Libertarian Party touts this digital currency as a revolution for freedom and prosperity, yet all it does is weave a net of extreme government control and siphon away individual liberties. As we approach 2030, the grand design will finally be revealed, a major economic crisis that pulls the curtain back on the government's master plan, exposing the true nature of their monetary manipulation. In the midst of this pandemonium, the truth becomes crystal clear. What was branded as freedom is but a guise for unprecedented levels of surveillance and control, all shoved down our throats under the shiny allure of digital currency. Think about what's about to happen. Interest rates are going to be lowered by the federal government, and money printing from the Federal Reserve will start. Quantity unlimited here. The US dollar is collapsing in terms of foreign currencies. The Japanese yen is strengthening and causing significant economic problems in Japan. This is spreading to the rest of the world as interest rates are lowered. Gold could shoot up to $5,000 per ounce. This is a significant concern in terms of prices. The cost of living is rising while the standard of living drastically decreases as the US dollar comes under attack. XRP, Bitcoin, crypto. Are we on the verge of capitulation followed by another Fed-induced hyperpump? Or is the beatdown just getting started? Interesting times for gold, silver, and crypto. I believe the United States government created cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin technology to flee, heist, and control the herd. Don't be fooled. Stay uneducated about the true motives behind these financial manipulations and the perception of freedom. Vincenzo discusses the current state of gold and silver investing as he overlooks the breathtaking landscape of Lake Superior. He highlights the impressive rise in gold prices over the past year, emphasizing the $2,500 mark that we've been anticipating. Vincenzo questions why this gold bull market is largely ignored, drawing parallels to historical economic events like the 1929 crash. He wonders why mainstream and social media are not covering the implications of gold's rise, hinting at deeper economic signals. Vincenzo raises concerns about a potential economic downturn similar to the 1920s, suggesting we could be on the brink of another major shift. He delves into the skyrocketing prices of gold and silver, investigating the factors driving these significant changes in the market. Vincenzo emphasizes the increasing public fascination with physical gold and silver, indicating a shift in investment strategies among individuals. Do you understand why gold and silver and commodities have been skyrocketing? You have to understand what inflation is, how it's caused, and the effects or consequences of inflation. The truth from all, Vincenzo, is that only the government can cause inflation. The effect of inflation is rising prices. Inflation is simply the expansion of the money supply. A business or an individual can't expand the money supply. The simple truth is easy to understand. Expand the money supply, that's it. The reason inflation is out of control will not change. Gold bullion is simply responding accordingly, adjusting the price for inflation. Companies that mine precious metals are on the verge of having a generational pump as speculators start to understand Barrick Gold's 52-week high. This understanding is crucial for navigating the current economic landscape and making informed investment choices. By recognizing these dynamics, investors can better position themselves for future market shifts.